Hi, today we will play A to Z spelling game. A. A is for apple. Let's spell it. A. B. B. L. E. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. Let's spell it. B. A. L. L. B is for ball. C. C is for camel. Let's spell it. C. A. M. E. L. C is for camel. D. D is for donut. Let's spell it. D. O. N. U. D. D is for donut. E. E is for eagle. Let's spell it. E. A. G. L. E. E is for eagle. F. F is for flower. Let's spell it. F. L. O. W. E. R. F is for flower. G. G is for goat. Let's spell it. G. O. A. T. G is for goat. H. H is for hen. Let's spell it. H. E. N. H is for hen. I. I is for ice cream. Let's spell it. I. C. E. C. R. E. A. M. I is for ice cream. J. J is for juice. Let's spell it. J. U. I. C. E. J is for juice. K. K is for koala. Let's spell it. K. O. A. L. A. K is for koala. L. L is for lion. Let's spell it. L. I. O. N. L is for lion. M. M is for monkey. Let's spell it. M. O. N. K. E. Y. M is for monkey. N. N is for nest. Let's spell it. N. E. S. T. N is for nest. O. O is for owl. Let's spell it. O. W. L. O is for owl.
Cows in the pasture, moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture,
P.
moo moo moo. Cows in the pasture.
P is for parrot.
My darling.
Let's spell it. P. A. R.
Painted blue. Little red wagon.
R.
Blue. Little red wagon painted.
O.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
T. P is for parrot. Q.
Texas 2x2.
Q is for quail.
Off to Texas 2x2.
Let's spell it.
My darling.
Q. U. A. I. L. Q is for quail.
Lost my partner, what'll I
R.
do? Lost my partner, what'll I do?
R is for rabbit.
Skip to my loo, my darling.
Let's spell it. R. A. B.
Found my partner, love is true.
B.
Found my partner, love is true. Found my
I.
partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my
T.
darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo.
R is for rabbit.
Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my
S.
darling.
S is for sheep. Let's spell it. S. H. E. E. B. S is for sheep. T. T is for train. Let's spell it. T R A I
Humpty Dumpty sat
N.
on the wall. Humpty Dumpty
T is for train.
the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put
U.
together again.
U is for umbrella. Let's spell it. U M B R E L L A.
Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall.
U is for umbrella.
Had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the
V.
men couldn't put Humpty
V is for van. Let's spell it. V A N. V is for van. W. W is for watch. Let's spell it. W A T C H. W is for watch. X. X is for xylophone. Let's spell it. X Y L O P H O N E. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yacht. Let's spell it. Y A C H T. Y is for yacht. Z. Z is for zebra. Let's spell it. Z E B R A. Z is for zebra.